did mention to me because our mother had a stroke 3 months ago, and Maurice van der Merwe was the older brother, the eldest, and her favorite son. And I begged him, I pleaded to him to please come and visit his mother. She had a stroke a month before that. She had a fractured leg. But I couldn't understand why doesn't he want to come visit his mother. Then I got furious and said, our mother's asking for you. That's when he explained to me that he's being followed. On the 24th of November, he did come and visit his mom. He was so quick here because he knew he was being followed. That was his words to me. He didn't go in, he didn't tell us. He told me a few days before he came to visit, he said, I'm testifying, I'm state's witness in this case.
Yeah.
So we didn't ask questions. We knew what type of work he did, what was his job thing. We didn't ask questions, asked no questions, generalized. He was very secretive about his work that he did, protecting his family.